Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable books iCloud Drive syncing on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen, and on the home screen tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Books. Next, swipe up to go down to the syncing section and tap on iCloud Drive. Tap on the iCloud Drive toggle button to switch it off, switch it on, and set that Reading Now syncs using your iCloud account, and use iCloud Drive to sync PDFs you've added to your library. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key here to go back to Settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.